Guys, welcome back to my channel Hethal's Cornerstone. So today we will discuss 3 points regarding Canada. It's must mandatory to know for all of you who ever desire to move in Canada and want to settle in Canada. So first point is temporary residency extend to stay in Canada. Second one is BCPNP new draw, and third one is compulsory quarantine plan. Okay, so if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the button, hit the subscription button so you will get new information and interesting information about study permit, work permit and express entry PNP draw for Canada. So without wasting our time, let's get going inside. First point is that temporary residents have more time to extend stay in Canada. So we will discuss first point over here. Due to this coronavirus pandemic, IRCC has announced a new policy. Okay, for those individual who are in Canada and more time to apply for restoration of their status. Okay, so in temporary residency, they have included visitor visas, study visas and work permit holders in Canada must have normally 90 days. Okay, after that temporary immigration status expire to apply for IRCC and to restore their status. But due to this pandemic, they have extended more time period. Okay, so IRCC have been encouraged to renew their work and study permits to maintain their legal status in Canada. So you must have to understand this point. Encouraged to renew their temporary residency in Canada. Okay, so former workers, students, and visitor visa holders whose status expired after 30th January 2020 and those who remain in the Canada, okay, up till so they renew their status until 31st December 2020 to apply to restore their status, provided they meet the requirement for type of status and authorization they are applying to restore. So you have to understand one condition. They have announced a new policy for those residency who are in Canada on the temporary residency. Okay, it included visitor visa, study visa, and work permit holders. Okay, earlier that was a 90 days period, but now due to this pandemic, they have extended their visas up to 31st December 2020. Okay, next one is that if they want to extend their study permits, they must have a valid job offer. Okay, for restoration. Okay, for restoration for application. Second one is that they have to submit LMIA. Okay, whoever is submitted work permit for LMIA, and if you don't have a LMIA, if you are exempt from LMIA, then you have to submit the offer of employment for extension for restoration. Okay, and you have to notify to IRCC through the process set up for eligible foreign national. Okay, so you have to keep in mind these three conditions before restoration your residency. So we will discuss second point over here. We'll discuss second point. BCPNP announced the latest PNP draw on 14 July, okay, 2020. So BCPNP has issued 320 invitation, okay, 320 invitation to express entry. So we will call express entry British Columbia EEBC and skill immigration SI in the latest provincial nominee program. Okay, first one is that express-entry candidates who receive a provincial nomination are given an additional 600 CRS point. Okay, so think and understand practically if you have 400 point or 300 CRS in normally, and you have express entry profile. Okay, and your interest in British Columbia, and if you are invited in BCPNP, then you have extra 600 points. So understand, 350 plus 600, 950 points you are having. So practically guaranteeing an invitation to apply for permanent residency in subsequent express entry draw. Okay, so if you have express entry profile, then you must have some interest in BCPNP and take the invitation from this PNP. Okay, so this minimum drop points required the range between 76 and maximum was 98 depending on the category. So we will discuss the categories also. First category is skilled worker. The maximum point was 98. Next one is international graduate. Maximum is 98. Entry level and skills semi skill. Minimum is a 76. And skilled worker we have discussed. Express entry BC EEBC 98, and last one is EEBC international graduate 98 points. Okay, so this is a range required between 76 and 98, okay, depending on the variety of category. So candidate, who are the candidates interested in this PNP program applying through express entry BC stream must have a federal express entry profile. First condition. Second condition is that as well as registered in the SIRS skill immigration registration system. Okay, so you can get the invitation from BC PNP. This BCPNP draw वो ये regular draw करता है, so there is a guarantee to get you ITA. Last one is that mandatory quarantine plan on incoming travelers. Nowadays, whoever the person desire to move in Canada, okay, due to this pandemic, they have must mandatory quarantine plan for 14 days. Okay, if you don't follow, they will could face fine or jail time. Okay, so first one is that recently, for your reference, recently two travelers have been charged for breaking the rule in Ontario and they have faced $1,000 fine. This is reported in Globe and Mail reports, so you can go and check out this information. Okay, so quarantine requirements are currently in place until August 31st August 2020. So ये 31st August तक तो है, बाद में they will make further notice. Okay. Next one is that, so if you plan to move in Canada, so the traveler will have to complete a traveler contact information form. So they have to submit this form either on paper, online, or a mobile app. If a traveler does not have a suitable quarantine plan, and they will be referred to a public health agency staff member. If you do not have any plan, suitable quarantine plan to stay 14 days in Canada, then you can get help from the public health agency staff member from Canada. So why they require this form? So they can monitor you and enforce the quarantine requirement if you need it. Information provided on the form is given to whom? To the Public Health Agency of Canada, so they can monitor and enforce the quarantine requirements. Okay, so last one is that who are exempted. So truck drivers are exempted. They do not have to complete the form, travel contact information form, exam from quarantine, because they cross the border for the work permit. Okay, so this is a mandatory quarantine plan on incoming travelers. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the like button also. This is extremely free, तो आप like तो कर ही सकते हो. And thank you for your supporting. Stay tuned guys. Bye bye now.